Good morning students, welcome to Bharat Digital Education. Today we are going to learn about the earth in the solar system, okay, and general in solar system in detail. सबने अपनी गर्मियों की रातें जो है वो छत पे बिताई होंगी, सबने ऑब्वियस ही बातें करा ही होगा। ऊपर बेड बिछा के छत पे आराम से लेट गए और ऊपर आसमान में देखते, क्या देखते हैं आपने कभी सोचा? स्टार्स, मून, फॉलिंग स्टार्स, टूटता हुआ तारा, विश मांगो जैसे फॉलिंग स्टार्स होता है। तो व्हेन यू सी क्लोजली व्हाट विल हैपन? सम स्टार्स flick and some stars do not. Some stars twinkle, some stars do not. This is a process. In some stars there is an ample of light energy or light, and some stars there is not. So it is nothing to worry about. Okay, let's just move to moon. You have seen moon? सबने देखा है? सबने देखा moon? Sometimes कभी कभी moon जो है वो इस तरीके का बड़ा सा एक सर्कल में बन जाता है। It is like this circle, okay? When the moon is in its full shape, जब ये अपने full shape में होता है, it is called full moon day, full moon night. Sorry, moon night में निकलता है obviously. It is called full moon night. और in हिंदी what? पूर्णिमा. क्या कहते हैं? पूर्णिमा. अब let's just break this. This is called पूर्ण का मतलब हिंदी सबने पढ़ी होगी. पूर्ण का मतलब क्या होता है? फुल और कंप्लीट. This is a complete moon, and we know just after this means after fortnight, just after 12 a.m. this full moon disappear, and this disappearance of moon just after 12 a.m. is called new moon night. Why it is called new moon night? Because from the very next night, new moon or the very moon started to develop into this. First this, then no moon, and then slowly and gradually, धीरे धीरे ये वापस अपने पूरे शेप में आता है, और इसको ये पूरा टाइम पीरियड लगता है 12 दिन का, 12 days. 12 days. Okay? From disappearance to appearance it takes 12 days. It is enough for now for the moon. बहुत हो गया moon के बारे में. अब हम लोग celestial bodies के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Celestial bodies क्या होता है? What are celestial bodies? What are celestial bodies? Bodies, or we can say sun, moon, stars, planets, etc., which are in our solar system are called celestial bodies. solar system or outside of solar system, सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज क्या हो गई? सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज क्या क्या होती हैं? सन, मून, स्टार्स, प्लैनेट्स, एस्ट्रॉइड, मीटियोर्स, ये सारी चीजें जब एक साथ मिलती हैं तो ये इनको कंबाइनली बोला जाता है सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज. जैसे अर्थ इज अ सेलेस्टियल बॉडी, अर्थ इज अ सेलेस्टियल बॉडी, मून इज अ सेलेस्टियल बॉडी, okay. I hope you have understood this celestial bodies. It will come further in this chapter, so I hope you have understood. Acha, tell me one question. Tell me why we cannot see moon during the daytime. Do you have any reasons? Why? Just because why? Because sun's brightness is very powerful, so it hides moon during daytime. Even if you just cannot see directly to the cloud, directly to the sky when the sun is in its maximum power, that is just around 12 p.m. we cannot see just directly to the sky. It is very shiny, so that is why we cannot see moon during the daytime. Okay. Now let's talk about stars. What are stars? You have seen twinkling stars, constant stars which are not twinkling or flickering. They are huge ball of gases. They are very hot, first of all, very hot, and they are huge ball of gases. बहुत बड़ी होती हैं ये, गैस की बनी होती हैं. Okay, these are huge ball of gases. They are very hot. They have their own light. उनके पास खुद की लाइट होती है. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे सन जो है वो हमारा एक स्टार है और अर्थ का नियरेस्ट स्टार है. इट इज द नियरेस्ट स्टार ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, जो सन है वो बहुत करीब है हमारे बोलने में. ठीक, सन इज द नियरेस्ट स्टार एंड स्टार इज व्हाट इट दे आर मेड अप ऑफ ह्यूज बॉल ऑफ गैसेस. they have their own light and heat. They are very hot in nature. Okay. अच्छा, तो ये जो मान लीजिए जो स्टार्स हैं, तो ये हम इनके पास बहुत सारी हीट होती है, तो हम लोग को रात में ठंडी क्यों लगती है? ये हीट क्यों नहीं देती हम लोगों को? क्योंकि ये हम लोगों से बहुत फार अवे है, वेरी फार अवे. दे आर वेरी फार अवे. They are very far away from us. That is why they do not transmit heat. Okay. Okay, you have seen stars, but there are some particular patterns. A group of stars. They are called constellations. कॉन्स्टिलेशन सुना होगा शायद आपने. अगर आप न्यूज देखते हैं सुबह सुबह तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कॉन्स्टिलेशन क्या होते हैं. कॉन्स्टिलेशंस क्या होते हैं? व्हाट आर कॉन्स्टिलेशंस? कॉन्स्टिलेशंस, दे आर ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स forming a particular pattern. ये ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स फॉर्मिंग अ पर्टिकुलर, ये शेप बनाते हैं, ये अलग अलग शेप बनाते हैं, ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स होते हैं ये। एग्जाम्पल इसका देखें तो एक है उर्सा मेजर, ये कॉन्स्टिलेशन, दिस इज अ कॉन्स्टिलेशन। व्हाट इज कॉन्स्टिलेशन? ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स फॉर्मिंग अ पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न। ये ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स हैं, एक जो स्टार्स होता है उनका ग्रुप है जो एक पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न शेप बनाता है। और इस एग्जांपल देखें तो सप्तऋषि, सप्तऋषि, सप्तऋषि। एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताऊं अगर इसमें, इनको जो स्टडी करते हैं, बहुत स्टडीज होती है कॉन्स्टिलेशंस की। दोज हु स्टडी कॉन्स्टिलेशंस are called astronomers. Astronomers क्या बोलते हैं उनको? एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स। ये कॉन्स्टिलेशन की स्टडी करते हैं, ये जनरली इनकी फेथ होती है, ये कॉन्स्टिलेशन की स्टडी को करके जनरली फ्यूचर या पास्ट और प्रेजेंट का प्रेडिक्शन लगाते हैं। ओके, the famous astronomer of India is, was, जानते हैं आप? You know him? आर्यभट्ट। Aryabhatta told that the planets do not have their own light. They shine just because of the light of the sun. They shine, they glow just because of light of the sun. जो प्लैनेट्स होते हैं उनकी खुद की लाइट नहीं होती है, और आर्यभट्ट ने बताया था। It is a great astronomer of ancient India. अच्छा, ये प्लैनेट्स के पास लाइट नहीं होती है, these planets do not have their own light, but are you joking me? No, I'm not joking. This is truth. So let's talk about planets. What are planets? These are celestial bodies, as we all know. Celestial bodies. And what we have studied just now, they do not have their own light. They do not have their own light. They shine just because the light of the sun reflects its light to these planets, and then planets reflect them back to us. That is why the moon appears white. Moon doesn't have its own light. Okay? So we have seen what planet is. It is a celestial body. They do not have their own light. They are huge mass of, we can say, matter. Okay? What is planet? What is planet means? What does planet mean? Can anybody tell? It comes from planetai. It is a Greek word. It is a Greek word. Means wanderers. Wanderer means they move around here and there. Okay? I think you should know examples of planet. You know, Venus, Earth. These all are planets. Now move to our next and important topic, that is solar system. अच्छा, I have tell you about celestial bodies. Means this sun, moon, stars, they are individually called celestial bodies. Celestial bodies individually, मतलब ये अगर सबको हम अलग कर दिया, सन जो है वो एक celestial body है. But when we combine them all together, they form a solar system. This is sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This is sun. Okay, this is sun. And this is. Let me rub it and draw clearly for you. Sun, Mercury, this is Venus, this is Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is solar system. Okay, sun consists of what? Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, they have their sun as head. They revolve around sun. They revolve around sun. ये सन के चारों तरफ घूमते हैं. Okay, that is why it is called solar system or solar family, family of sun. और कहाँ घूमते हैं, ऐसे कैसे घूम लेंगे? तो जो सन है, it possesses some pulling force. It pulls these planets toward itself. Not that much of force that it will go into the sun and just burst. No, the sun just harshly or not very forcefully pulls these planets towards itself so that they remain in their orbits. The path in which planets revolve around the sun are called orbits. These are the paths. Like this is Mercury and this is Mercury's path. In this path only it will move around the sun and it is sometimes elongated. Elongated मतलब खिंचा हुआ, यार ये खिंचे हुए होते हैं. ठीक, these are orbits. They are paths on which planet move around sun. If we talk about sun now, first of all, sun is a huge ball of gases. It is a huge ball of gases, just like stars. And it is a star also. It is a huge ball of gases. ठीक, okay? Ball of gases or hot gases. It has its own light. And it is 150 million kilometer away from Earth. What? 150 million kilometer away from Earth. ये 150 मिलियन किलोमीटर दूर है अर्थ से. और ये क्या पोजेस करता है? मैंने आपको बताया, पुलिंग फोर्स. ये प्लैनेट्स को अपनी तरफ खींचता है, उतना ज्यादा नहीं लेकिन खींचता है, ताकि जो प्लैनेट्स है वो अपने ऑर्बिट में ही उसकी चारों तरफ घूमते रहे. Okay. This is about sun. Next, move to our next topic. Okay. Further, we will study about moon, earth, and various asteroid and meteors in our next lecture. So, hope you are all safe. You are doing good. Please don't just get outside without mask. Please wear mask when you are outside. Okay. Thank you.